Gratitude is a skill. It is something that you can train. It is something that you can develop along the way. I know, because I've been very, very negative back in the days, and I used to see destruction everywhere. But thankfully, with time, patience, and perseverance, I've managed to change that. I created a new pattern. I changed the pattern of negative thinking. I changed it into positive thinking. It took me a few years, yes. It took me a few years of struggle, yes. It took me a few years of constant daily practices, but I stuck to them. And thankfully, eventually, just like you create a negative spiral down, you can create a positive spiral up. And once your life starts looking good, as long as you maintain your practices, your life could be great. Your life could be amazing. Gratitude is a skill, my friend. Allow yourself to be grateful for things. Now, nothing needs to happen. Gratitude is something that is within you and is present with you at all times. The only question is, are you going to focus upon it? Or are you going to focus upon something else? You decide what you focus upon. Right now, there is no one making you feel any way. You choose how you respond to how other people act. Gratitude is like working out a muscle in a gym. If you allow yourself to train it every day, it's going to get stronger and it's going to be more accessible to you. Just like you're going to be able to lift more weight in a gym after exercise, you're going to be able to become more and more grateful as time goes by choosing to focus upon it. It is simple as that. So start your gratitude exercises today, and if you don't know how, there is a link down in the description and you can check it out in my other video. Bless you, my friend. On a daily basis, I do one-to-one teachings as well as energy healings and online workshops. So if you're interested in spirituality or in experiencing reality on a deeper level through working with energy, I invite you to my website, link down below in the description. Blessings be upon you, my friend.